Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IFXY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I'll let you this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis, I believe, in the past, but I could be lying with that, so I'm not quite sure if I've done it or not. But nonetheless, definitely a nice looking chart here. Had some questions on it and requests, so let's get this updated. First thing, just to point out, great looking trend. And at the end of the day, I will talk about levels of resistance, but resistance levels really don't matter because as long as prices are building higher bases, then the overall chart takes care of itself, which includes breaking areas of resistance. So on that note, the key level of resistance going forward is right where the price tapped a couple of times today, including during the final 30 minutes of the day. And that level is right up here at 001. Like I said, twice today, actually, it happened in the first 30 minutes, which you can see right there. Price was rejected. And then the final 30 minutes, once again, price was rejected. So I'm not saying that it's impossible to break through 0011. I'm just saying that according to the story of the chart, apparently the bulls are really going to need to bring their A game if they're not only going to fight through that level, but then be able to maintain above it. So that is key level of resistance. But again, not really the top priority. Top priority, if you say, Clay, look, summarize everything, I would just say repeat history. What do I mean by repeat history? Well, as long as the price keeps on repeating this history in terms of building higher bases as time goes by, if you picture each of these as stair steps, those are pretty bad stair steps, but you get the point. If you picture each of these as stair steps, you notice they just keep getting higher and higher, and that's the name of the game. That's how those overall uptrends are built. The easiest way to follow the quote-unquote stair steps, if you will, is just use the very famous 50-period simple moving average, which is being denoted there by that purple line. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from the grand scheme of things perspective, as long as the price stays above that purple line as the line itself increases, then the bulls are in full control. The bulls are in full health. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. So nice looking chart, great looking overall uptrend. And like I said, as long as the price stays above that purple line, the bulls are in full control. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.